Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'm answering a question that was presented during my Amazon live stream that I did, and it was about rice water rinses. So I go live on Amazon Live. You can see the link in the description area and also pinned in the comment area. And when I went live yesterday, like I do several times during the week, people were asking questions, and I know this question is something that is on a lot of you guys' mind. So here is the answer to my question about how often to use rice water.
How often do you wash your hair? In using rice water every day good for you? And does it have to be rinsed off? Okay, when I use rice water, I don't wash my hair every single day. I wash my hair once a week, okay? And I only use rice water once every couple of weeks. Okay, that was after my initial using. So when I first started using rice water, I was using it every single week, and then I had to listen to my hair and see, do I need to use it so often? But especially if you are low porosity, and rice is protein, it contains a lot of protein, so be mindful of that if rice water is making your hair dry and brittle and stuff. So you want to be sparingly using it, but you have to listen to your hair and understand what works for your hair. If somebody is saying, oh, they use it every single day and it's working for them, it might not work for you unless you try it. So you might try it every single day and you'll find that your hair just doesn't like it, things are falling out, then you adjust to it.
Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to go to my Amazon shop. The link is down below, and also click follow to follow us and not miss any of my live streams there. Thanks, bye.